Let's learn how to crochet the loop stitch. Hi, I'm Michelle and welcome to the Snugglery. Today I'm going to show you how to create this super textured and whimsical stitch. It's easier than you might think. I'm currently working on a boho textured throw pillow pattern, and it includes the beautiful loop stitch, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to demonstrate how it's done. You can work this loop stitch over any number of stitches, starting with at least one row of single crochet. Chain 1 to turn your work. And this stitch is worked along the wrong side, so our loops will appear on the front here. I'm going to show you quickly first how it's done, and then we'll break it down. And there's your loop. Now let's go step by step. Step 1 is to hold your working yarn like this, with the yarn coming from your project draped over the front of your index finger. And the strand behind your finger is leading to the yarn ball. Grab your project and extend your finger as far as you can while still holding your work. This will help keep your loops a consistent size. Then insert your hook into the next stitch and yarn over with the yarn coming from the back of your finger. Then swing your hook around to also grab the yarn coming from the front of your finger. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, and it's fine if they're crisscrossed like this. You can let go of your loop, pick up your working yarn, and yarn over again to draw through all the loops on your hook. And there's our little loopy friend. So let's review. Extend your finger and the working yarn as far as you can while holding onto your work. Insert your hook into the next stitch and yarn over with the back strand. Yarn over again with the front strand and draw 2 loops at the same time through your stitch. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook to create a loop on the front of your work. And with this loop stitch method, you can pull on the loops a bit to get them to be the same size. It won't mess up your other stitches. When I really get going quickly with this stitch, sometimes it feels natural to pick up my working yarn with my middle finger for the last step. And I love how unique this stitch is. You really get a big impact in a pretty quick and easy technique. So here's how our little loops are looking. And like I said, don't be afraid to tug on them to even out the loops. They're solid and secure with this stitch. And when you work a loop into every stitch of the row, you can just chain 1 and turn to get back to the right side of your work. The next row of the 2-row repeat is just to work single crochet in every stitch back the other way. Then you'll have a row of single crochet again, just like row 1, for you to work your next row of loops into. And there you have it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for how to crochet the loop stitch. If you made it all the way to the end, I want to thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you liked this video. I make videos for crocheters and knitters every single week, and you're not going to want to miss one. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!